Hello everyone, it's Pat at Beads and Plenty More, and today I'm going to talk about sliding knots. That's an easy way to do a closure on some cord, and the best type of cord to use are these types with a bit of a wax to them and fairly firm. So the easiest way is to just overlap your two ends, and you wrap one around the other and bring the end through. And the only thing to look for here is you want to make sure that you've got this end sticking out this way, because it makes a nice small knot. So one that way, and then on the other side you do the same thing. Just bring your cord around and through and out like that, and so you get the knot that'll slide like that. I would normally tighten this up really tight, probably with a pair of pliers, so that you get that knot to stay, and then you can trim these ends away. Now a little bit bigger knot, which makes it a little bit easier for with your fingers for moving the knot, is to take the same sort of overlap, and let's just get a little bit more cord here, and we're going to go around. Well, first of all, we make a loop. Make yourself a loop, and then go around and go around one time, and then into that loop. So just one little wrap and into the loop, and again tighten it up. Looks a bit like a figure eight when you're finished, and that again gives you a little bit more solid knot for sliding back and forth. Okay. And then the probably most complicated knot is the one that you do a lot of wraps with. And again, I'm going to use a bigger cord because it takes a bit more cord, and we're going to take and go across the one across the other, make a loop back like so, and then I'm going to turn it around like that for my ease of working. And I'm going to take this raw end here, so I've got a loop. Loop is laying on the side of the other cord, and then go take this piece, and I'm going to wrap towards that loop. I'm going to start with a little bit bigger. There we go. 1, 2, 3, at least 3. Oh, even a short piece here. I like to do it with a little bit bigger than that, but that'll work. Bring that through, and then draw this side closed so that it captures that little tail. Bring it nice and snug. Again, you can work with your pliers so that you can get that really tight. And with the wax cord, it all nests together very nicely as well. So then to go to the other side, we again have a raw end here. Just take away some of the cord. I'm going to make that loop, and we can notice that I did 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps on that side, so you want to do the same so that it will match one side to the other. So go around, lay this nice and flat. So there's 1 wrap, 2, 3, and the 4th will go now into the loop. And again, we go back to this side and we check to see which one we pull on, and pull, and make sure that that tail gets in there nice and snug. Work one side on the other as you're going. And tighten that in really good. And so then we get this, and we can trim these tails off. It's not a good idea to trim these off too soon, because it does wear in a little bit and it might pull back, so you'd be wise to leave a little bit of extra on there, and then when you're ready to wear it full time, then you can trim it right back nice and tidy. But this is very handy for both a necklace and a bracelet, because you can adjust the size to different people. So hope that helps learning how to work with wrapped knots, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.